most of the people migrated southwards. Then we said enough is enough. We will have to resist them. At that time, we were not called Denkyira. At that time, we were called Adeu people.
Adeu. Okay.
Adeu people.
Okay.
So
is it the same as Deu, which is in the reshaping?
In the reshaping, no, it's different. There might be a remnant of our people who might have called them so the Adeu people.
Okay.
We were called Adeu people.
Okay.
Yes. And we moved. Most of the accounts moved earlier than us. After around the 1200s, that's when the Amiya and the Bono people crossed first to establish the Bono Monsoon.
Okay.
We tried to resist the Islamic invasion. So we came later, part of it.
Okay.
Around 1300. That time, Obono Mankuma was the king of Bono.
Okay.
When we came, when he saw our weapons and our weaponry and everything, he said, no. So he told us to go and live with his son, who is the chief of Inchira. They were in Chinchira.
Okay.
Yes. So when we went there, they received us and gave us a place to